Good morning, everyone. Now, today we'll be discussing about another major physiographic division of India, and that is your Peninsular Plateau. Now, what do we understand by the term peninsular? Peninsular means the area which is almost surrounded by water from three sides, right? And if you look in the picture, this is your peninsular portion surrounded by water from all the three sides. Plateau means an area of high elevation, right? Plateau, it means an area of high elevation. So we are going to discuss about the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is a tableland. Tableland means an area of higher elevation, composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It was formed due to the breaking and drilling of the Gondwana land. Gondwana land is the there were two. Gondwana land is the ancient land, right? The part of the ancient land mass which had broken and which had come into India. Now this portion of India, right? It is the part of the ancient land mass, that is your Gondwana land, and that is why this portion of India has rich economic value also. This area is, economy wise, this area is very important. Why? Because it has a lot of mineral deposits. It has a lot of mineral deposits, and even the kind of soil which is formed, it holds it holds a lot of economical value, right? So Gondwana land is the part of ancient land mass, right? In earlier times, only two kind of land masses, the Gondwana land was there and Panama land mass was there, right? So this Peninsular Plateau of India, right, it consists it is a part of the Gondwana land. When Gondwana land broke down, right, one part of the Gondwana land had drifted towards this portion of India, and it got attached here as the Peninsular Plateau of India. So the Peninsular Plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land. One of the distinct features of the Peninsular Plateau is the black soil area known as the Deccan Trap. Deccan Trap means the part which comprises of your igneous rocks, right? Igneous rocks are rich in minerals. So the portion which has igneous rocks in dominance is called your Deccan Trap. Understood? What is peninsular? Peninsular means the area which is surrounded by water on three sides, right? Plateau means an area of higher elevation. The Peninsular Plateau is a tableland. Tableland means again an area of higher elevation, composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks, right? It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land. Now Gondwana land is the ancient land mass, right? Earlier the map of the world, or the globe which we see today, wasn't the same long before, right? There were only two major land masses, right? Among those two major land masses, one was your Gondwana. Now, when this Gondwana land, it drifted apart, it broke down into pieces due to the movement of tectonic plates, right? One portion of that Gondwana land, it came towards India and got itself attached as the peninsular portion of India. Now, since it is the part of the ancient Gondwana land, this portion is also rich in mineral reserves, right? And it holds a lot of economic importance. Now, division of Peninsular Plateau. This plateau consists of two divisions. The Central Highlands, the part of the Peninsular Plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, is known as Central Highlands, means considering your Madhya Pradesh area. The eastward extension of this plateau are locally known as the Bundelkhand and Bhagelkhand. The Deccan Plateau. It is a triangular land mass that lies to the south of the river Narmada. An extension of the plateau is also visible in the northeast, which is known as the Meghalaya, Karbi Karbi Anglong Plateau, and the North Kocher Hills. Now, to understand this better, we have a map. Now, look at this map. Right? Your central highland, it is even extending to your eastern part also. Right? The one which we were talking about, the Thar Desert. This is your central highland. And this is your Deccan Plateau. Divided into two parts. Fine? Now class, the importance of Peninsular Region. The Peninsular Plateau has a great economic significance due to the following reasons. It has rich deposits of minerals. It has many rivers which are helpful for the production of hydroelectricity. It has black soil which is good for commercial farming. Now what you will do, you will make cutouts of Himalayan region, northern plains and peninsular plateau, explaining the importance of each major physiographic division of India. In the cutouts I want, in the cutout of the Himalaya, in the cutout of the northern plains, and in the cutout of the peninsular plateau. And you will be explaining about its importance as well. Go through these slides. If any confusion is there, you are free to ask me on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.